How to post a YouTube video on Instagram. Now, if there is a certain YouTube video that you would like to also post on Instagram, there are a couple of ways to do so. First of all, you just go ahead and then basically open up that certain video right here. Once you open up that certain video, you will see this type of interface where you just tap on the share button first and also copy the link. Now, better to also go ahead and then simply take a screenshot of this video. So let me go ahead and do that as well. Once you've taken a screenshot of the video, just crop it to the only certain part of the video that you want, right? Because we only want this particular portion to show up right over here. So we will just leave out the rest and just tap on the save button. Now what we will do is, because we've already copied the link, now we will simply head over to the Instagram app, tap on your story option that you would be able to find over here, then just select that particular screenshot that we cropped. Now over here, because we can't view the Instagram video within the YouTube application, what we can do is we can simply swipe up like this. Here, just search for the link option and just paste the link that we just copied, which is the video link. Once done, tap on the done button. Now you can simply link it like this so that other people will be able to go ahead and then watch this particular video by tapping on the YouTube link option. This way you'll be able to post a YouTube video on Instagram. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.